When we're in the classroom space, we use voices soft and safe. Not too loud, not a shout, just a quiet talking sound. Inside voice, nice and low, that's the way we talk, you know. Soft and calm, clear and kind, that's what teachers like to find. If you need to say something, use your voice, but keep it calm. Friends can hear, no need to yell. Quiet voices work so well. In the hall or in the class, soft voices help us pass. Everyone can learn and grow when we keep our voices low. Not too loud, not too strong, we can talk all day long. Just remember what to do, use your inside voice, it's true. Amazing job, everyone!